Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to have our lunch. This is an okra and a little bit of sayote and fish. I make it sweet and sour. We have a mango. And suman. We also have a bangos leftover, pancit and bread, and a little bit of pancit palabok. By the way, thank you so much for the pancit palabok donor from CCS. Yeah, thank you so much. And we have here a guto or lugaw. So if you are going to, maybe you are going to say that there are a lot of food, but we are just going to taste all of this for our lunch. We don't have to eat a lot of food because it is there. So we are just going to taste this, and this. Okay? So it is always a good thing that there are a lot of variety of food, but we are going to eat just a little amount of everything. So I hope you will lead also a good and healthy lifestyle. And please subscribe to the Wings Fitness channel. This is Lenny Majisi Flores, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye!